Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable AWS Forecast for time series demand analytics. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To enable AWS Forecast for time series demand analytics, start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the AWS Forecast service by searching for it in the search bar. Once you're on the AWS Forecast dashboard, click on the Get Started button. In the next screen, select Create Dataset Group to initiate the process. Provide a name for your dataset group. Next, choose the type of data you will use for forecasting, such as retail, finance, or any specific time series data. Click on Create Dataset to add the datasets relevant to your demand analytics. For each dataset, select the dataset type, such as target time series or related time series. Fill in the required fields for the dataset, including the name and schema that align with your data's structure. Once all datasets are created, go back to the dataset group and link each one accordingly. With your dataset group ready, the next step is to create a predictor. Click on Create Predictor and choose the dataset group you just established. Specify the forecasting horizon, which determines how far into the future you want to make predictions. Select the optimization type that aligns with your forecasting needs, such as accuracy or speed. Review the configuration details and click on Create Predictor. AWS Forecast will begin training your predictor using the datasets provided. After the training is complete, navigate to the Predictors section to review your created predictor. From here, you can create a forecast by clicking on Create Forecast. Select the predictor you just created and specify the forecast frequency, like daily or weekly. Review the additional options and finally click Create Forecast. After your forecast is generated, you can access it via the forecast. Download the forecast data to analyze it further or integrate it into your applications. That's how you enable AWS Forecast for time series demand analytics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.